Hi, I'm Chelsea Lipford-Wolf, and this video about killing weeds without chemicals is brought to you by Exmark, the makers of professional mowing equipment. Now, no matter how diligent you are as a gardener, weeds pop up. Pulling them can be a pain, and I try not to use too many chemicals in the yard since I have small children. So I've been looking for ways, natural ways, to kill weeds and keep them from coming back. Now, mulch helps a lot in flower beds, but it doesn't always block out enough sun to keep weeds from popping up. So put down a layer of newspaper or cardboard beneath your mulch to starve the weeds of light. For sidewalks, patios, and driveways, try mixing some dish soap into a spray bottle full of vinegar. When you spray it on the weeds, the soap causes the vinegar to stick to the leaves. Then the natural acid in the vinegar slowly burns the weeds and you'll have results by the end of the day. Now you can also use this for weeds that are in your grass, but you have to be really careful because whatever grass blades come into contact with the vinegar will also die. I hope these tips are helpful out in your yard. Be sure to click on the exmark.com/backyard link below, which will give you access to other useful videos.